Apple Messages app for macOS has received several noteworthy features in macOS Sequoia, and one of the most loved features that the messaging app has received is the ability to schedule a message. If you no longer want the forgetfulness to harm your relation with your dear ones, or wish to have a feature that will help you always greet or wish your friends on time, make sure to get the most out of this feature. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to open the Messages app on your Mac running macOS 15 or later. After that, you have to open a conversation thread where you want to send a message. After that, you have to type in a message. And once you have typed the message, click on the plus button and then choose Send Later in the pop-up menu. Then you have to adjust the day, date and time in accordance with the need. And after you have perfectly fine-tuned your message, hit the send button and you are good to go. Your scheduled message will be automatically delivered at the specified date and time. Later, if you ever want to adjust the time of the scheduled message or altogether delete it, return to the same conversation thread, find the scheduled message, and then make the needed changes as per your needs. And that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more handy macOS tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye.